Now what is the easiest way to find the square of a number? Now in this video segment we shall see how we can find the square of a 2-digit number within seconds. Right? So let's take a 2-digit number. So let's assume that I've taken 4, 2. So I need to find the square of this. So let me call this, the first number as A and the second number as B. Okay? So let us write an expression A square, 2AB and B square. So this is nothing got to do with A plus B the whole square. Okay? So I have A square, 2AB and B square, and these lines are referred to as balancing lines. Okay, and let us see how we can find the square of 42 very easily. So let me write A square, which is 16, 2AB, 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16 again, and B square is 4. So what do? First I write 4. Okay, is there a carry? There is no carry. Then I again drop the units place, which is 6, and always take the carry to the next. So 1 is the carry which gets added to 16. So I write 6 here and I add this 1 to 16. So 16 plus 1 is 17. So 1, 7, 6, 4 is the square of 42. So it hardly takes a few seconds. So we can use this principle to find the square of any 2-digit number. So let us consider 11 square. So what do? A square plus 2AB plus B square. So again, A square is 1, 2AB is 2, B square is 1. Okay, I already have the answer here, isn't it? So I write 1. And then, is there any carry to the next? No, there is no carry. Then again write the units place, which is 2. Is there any carry? No. Then again I write the third digit. So 1, 2, 1 is the square of 11. Okay, so now let us consider another example, 68 square. So let me write A square, 2AB plus B square. Okay, now A square is 36, 6 square. So 2 into 6 into 8, that is 2AB. B square is 8 square, which is 64. So how much is this? So this is 2 into 6, which is 12, and 12 into, so now we need to multiply 2 into 6 into 8. So this is 12 into 8, which gives us 96. So I have 96, 64 and 36. So what do? I write the units place, take the next digit as a carry to the next segment. So I drop the units place, which is 4, 6 is added to this number 96. So 96 plus 6 is, you get 102. Okay, so again write the units place, which is 2, and this 10 is added as a carry. So 36 plus 10 is 46. So 4624 is the answer. Right? So you can check using your calculators. 4624 is the answer. So let's take another example. 7 3 square. Right? So again use this A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square, 7 square is 49. 2 into A into B, and then I have B square, which is 3 square, which is 9. So now let me write this. I have 49. So here 6 into 7, 2 into 3 is 6, so 6 into 7. So how much is 6 into 7? I get 42, and then I have 9 here. So what is the general principle? Write the units place, which is 9. The next digit is carried over. There is no next digit. So I go to the next stage, write the units place 2. So 4 is carried over and added to 49. So 49 plus 4 gives me 53. So 5, 3, 2, 9 is the answer. So like this we can find the square of any 2-digit number using this expression A square, 2AB, B square. So this is not addition here, as we have already seen. So these are called as balancing lines. So just write the units place, and the next digit, if at all it exists, is carried over to the next stage. Again drop the units place, and the next digit, the tens place, is added as a carry to the next segment, and we get the final answer. Right? So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and thanks for watching.